Hirap. Tinabingan naman tong ano ko.
Doon ka sa bench.
Hmm? Yung health na rate.
Help, help, help!
Yun! Yan! Bagal. Look up!
That's good.
Si Jaden, easy point na dun, no?
Oh, foul. Right, you gotta go towards the basket next time.
Laki.
Wow.
Greens.
Yo, somebody go in the middle.
Dalawa, oh. Oh, back door.
We'll match it so it's even.
Diretso pala ito. 2 halves. Ano lang.
Good, Jake.
Good defense, guys. Good defense. Great defense.
Wow.
No foul?
Mataas ang ano nito. Competition.
I don't know how to. Man, that's crazy.
So, you're good, you're good.
Go, go, go.
Good job, Brandon.
Yellow lead. Yellow lead. Run, Bryce. Oh, come on. You gotta call something. Look at that.
Nice. Bagal lang rin yun.
Go, 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 go. Go, Jaden.
Ayan. Ready to help, ready to help. Yan.
Run.
Diskarte. Tingin sa ring, Cyrus. Tingin sa ring. Pwede nang panira yun. Pwede nang tumira. Oh, sakit yata yung paa ni Bryce, ah. Kailangan bagong sapatos.
Ano sinabi kasi, gamitin niya eh. Hindi niya ginagamit eh.
Kaya matigas pa rin, no?
Yeah.
Nice. Kahit sa practice sana, gamitin niya.
Ewan ko din, nakakasa na kaya di ko nabigyan ng sapatos.
Ano man size niya na? 5.
Sa-
Pinasukat ko sa kanya yung Harden ni Cyrus na ano eh, yung ilang beses niya palang ginamit eh. Hindi, ewan kung ayaw niya ano. Pakita ko sa'yo. May support dito yun eh, may foam. Hindi gagalaw yung ankle mo talaga eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung parang mas mabigat sa kanya yun eh. Help! Help! Rebound! Ready!
Go. Motion.
Kunin mo. Shoot it.
Hey.
Let's go. Defense.
Trap.
Rebound. Get.
Jump on the ball.
Diretso na, pag ano.
Kailangan na sino papasahan niya.
Sayang yung effort eh, no? Nagutom tuloy ako eh. Kasi hindi yata dala niya yung Limutan niya yung ulo niya.
Get that there.
Ready, ready, ready. Ayan na, ayan na. Ano mo? Ayan na. Foul, basket. Ah. Relax, relax. Bilis, gumagana yung oras. Nice. Ah. Ready to rebound. Ah. Tira. Oh. Nice. Bawi, bawi, bawi. Yeah. That's good. Taas kamay, taas kamay. Nice. Oh, good.
Hey, don't worry about it. Keep shooting.
You gotta box out.
Box out, box out.
Trap.
No hand. Foul. Oh. Ready to shoot, Saros. Galaw. Skarte.
Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Foul. Ah? Pa-foul na yun eh. Basket ah. Energy. Energy. Talon. Ready. Nice. Run.
Get
Oh.
the ball.
Yeah. Hands up, Bryce.
Right. You should open, go towards the basket.
High five next time. Here you go, Brandon. Cut it off. Away.
Nah, there you go. Look. Ah. travel yun.
I don't know. It looks like something. Hey, Bryce. Stop. Go, this is open space. Go towards the basket. Get a shot. Help your teammate. Help your teammates.
Run, 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 run!
Look down. God, that's what I'm talking about, Bryce.
Focus, focus. Hindi yung bigay ito sa ano. Use your voice, Bryce. Help, help, help! Oh. Yan, yung maganda. Oh, no po. Green. Green. Nice rep. Help, help, help. Help, help.
It's pushing. Hey.
Yum. Run, run, run.
Wow.
Run, run, run. Oh, nice.
You have to go just to get the car.
Bryce. Bryce. Use your up hand. He's all over you.
Help, help, help.
Use your hand.
Nice.
Relax, relax, slow down. You need to push him off. He's all over, so push him off.
Yeah, focus, Bryce,
Just
focus.
slow down, relax.
Get some screen. Ah.
Look at that, that's a foul. Over the back, there you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. 1-1. Nice, Anso. 10 lang yan, oh. 10 points lang yan, oh. Ready rebound. No foul, no foul. Time. Si Brian. Ayaw mo dito, may bangko pa rito.
Sabi si Koylan, di kasi nagutin, ha?
Oo, hindi na sinasagot eh.
Oh.
Suplado na yun sa personal. Hindi pa man artista eh. Dead man ah.
He's playing with the 8th graders right now. Yeah. No, he's not. He's gonna look silly.
No, don't do it.
See, I told you. Not yet. Not yet.
Don't hurt yourself.
Not yet.
Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, there you go.
Like, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, he will.
Don't be like your dad can't even move.
Hey.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah, jeez, you're so mean. Benji.
His uniform.
Bawal.
Oh, yeah.
You have to be signed up,
Yeah.
remember? It's
Well,
crazy.
you can only play on one team. It's not like a sports academy, right?
Why won't it let me?
Oh, they can hear Benji speak English.
No.
Little lack of
Let's go. Hey,
Be aggressive, be aggressive.
hurry, go.
Oh, diskarte, ready to ano? Ayan na. Oh,
Nice. There we go.
there, nice. Go.
All the way, Brandon, all the way.
Nice. Green. Nice, same. Taas kamay.
Nova.
Yeah, that's good.
Go right there. Oh!
Yeah. Go. Run.
Give it up.
Middle.
Oh my gosh. You had the guy went.
Hands up. Box out.
Good box out.
Hands up.
Oh, traveling. No, guys, there you go.
Nice, rep. Diskarte. Use your body. Gamitin mo yung katawan mo. Nice. Shoot it. Nice, Enzo. Nice.
Doing good. Good comeback. Good movement.
Box out.
Oi.
Box out.
Pressure.
Got away with one.
Oh.
Come on, you got. You're getting hacked in this
Talk. Kick right.
Hands up.
Oh! Come on! Again?
Hey, run back.
Screen. Diretso.
Oh!
Oh. Hands up. Oh, come on. Shoot it!
And one.
Diskarte ha? Slow down pag nandun ka na. Pag isa na lang.
Oh, he's always. I didn't know that. I'm trying to do this person to the.
Pag one-on-one na, steady. Slow
Did
down.
you sign up Bryce for this yet? I'm a bad opponent. I didn't.
Hindi rin.
So I'm signing up right now. I am Benji.
Tama.
Come on, you gotta press hard.
Oh, come on.
Box out, box out.
Go.
Nice cut.
Palit, palit. Nag-miss lang. Papalitan na. Nag-miss na papalitan. Yeah.
Yeah, you get the hand.
Sab.
There you go.
Yun na. Umupo. Umupo.
Oh. Better do that.
Be aggressive dyan din.
He's a good kid.
Sampu na naman.
These boys in my fucking hair, man. All of them. These boys in my hair, man. I cut Alex last night. Had my shit up.
I need to get back right.
It's like it's, I don't know. Like, man, Tucker, your friends are fucking with you. You go, no. Like, what? Well, that's what I'm here for. Yeah, I'll do that.
No trouble.
I do it to his brother. And his brother can take it, but I just can't. It's too serious, man. Yeah. Like, dude, nice cut.
Oh.
Let me show you the
Go, go, go. Go.
Hands up, hands up. Be ready, be ready.
Look up. Where's the coach? Triple team. Triple team. See what
Bryce,
Help.
be ready, Bryce.
You need to score. Help your team.
Go, 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 go.
You guys got a lot of time. Oh wait, this is second. Yeah, you guys got some time.
Go, 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 go.
Nice.
Dalawa kayo ni Bryce.
2 points at a time, guys. 2 points at a time.
Diskarte. Cyrus, ready to shoot.
Or 3 points at a time.
Yeah. Be ready, be ready.
There you go. Go run, go run.
Run.
Help him.
Oh.
I know you want to do it, but good. Hey, I'm the same way. So don't worry.
Kunin mo, kunin mo.
Look down.
Oh, foul.
Headlock and everything.
It's MMA.
I like it. He's complaining about what? No foul, no. What? I'm like, dude, they're getting jacked up. That's why he played down low. Nothing. Better. Better. Hey, where's the 805 Raptors from?
They're 8 of 5 already, right?
Yeah, the Raptors. I don't know where they're from.
From Ventura.
Victor?
805. Right?
Or,
Westlake. Sometimes
Sa Westlake? Maybe we ask later.
You guys said fucking every city here in Ventura. What the hell? Nice.
Shoot it.
That's fine.
Nice. Ah.
Ooh, he got up there. Ooh, he almost. Filipino.
Nice, nice, nice. Help, help, help. Go, go, go.
On that point, man.
Help. Help. Drop.
Good team, good team. Run, drop the front. That's on him.
Ah.
You're doing good. Good job, Bryce. Way to move your feet. Don't you ever, in the next two, don't you be talking about Cyrus like that. You don't be talking about Bryce.
This is the attorney of the two guys.
Hey, you don't be talking about Cyrus, and you don't be talking about Bryce, alright? You guys watch them out. Otherwise, Scarlett's gonna hit.
That's only right 10.
Hey, 2 points at a time, Bryce. You're fine.
Ah. Backs out. Jake.
You got two. Come on, buddy. He seems like a really nice kid. Like a teammate,
Be ready, Cyrus. Be ready. Be ready to shoot. Pesto, pesto.
Look, you know what? That's it. I can't take it. Good pass.
Pass, come on.
Good pass.
Yan na.
That's three right
Nice
there.
shot.
That's three. Yes.
Takpan nga din eh. Nice, nice. Help, help, help. Ah. Sabay, 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 sabay. One more, Cyrus, one more. Ah.
All right, just get the ball. Let's go. Come on, come on.
That's good, Darren. Relax, relax.
Just stay in front of him, Bryce. Stay in front of him.
Ready lagi, Cyrus, ready lagi. Backs out.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. 100%. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Oh. Nice.
Nice, nice.
If that was, we'd rather take that than free throws. Yeah.
Good defense.
Bryce, that's it. Stay in front of him, Bryce.
Nice. Help, 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 help. Box out.
Nice.
Run, Bryce, run.
Oh. Other side. Oh.
Talaga nga.
Just little things. Little things. You guys are just like
Oh my
little,
goodness.
little things like that.
He's waiting for you. A man in front of finish line.
Little things, guys. You guys are right there. Little things need to be better. You guys aren't like, look, you guys are still fighting.
We don't have anybody. There's only got a
21.
Turnover lang, eh. So yan. Yan. Mistake yan.
Little. And then the John Lowe toughness, yeah.
Taras, aggressive. Ready to shoot. Bo. Use your body. Nice.
What happened? I had him. I have him.
You had him. You had him.
Bo.
Look at how wiry Bryce is. I like it.
Go, help. Just help. Help.
Nice. That's just nothing to do. The pinnacle.
9 lang yan, 9 lang, 9. Kunin mo. Ayan na, agap. Nice. Oh.
That's it out, Bryce.
Ano?
Nice. Number 2.
Oh. Focus. That's only 9. Nice. Peso. Nice. Ready to shoot. Siyam lang yan, siyam lang. Faster. Magana yung oras, oh.
Whatever. No.
Ang tagal, oh. Ilang seconds yung nauubos.
I'm not the coach. I'm not the...
Nice.
Dang, I'm almost tall. Coach?
That's only 8.
You guys aren't too far off, man. See?
Box out!
Hey, be aggressive. They're in the penalty. Be aggressive.
What? Green. Diskarte.
2 points at a time.
Penalty yan, penalty na.
2 points at a time, guys. You guys are getting the right...
Yeah. Get it, get it.
Oh my gosh, no. I'll never pass it. I'll never concede it. Yesterday I was talking to myself, I was like, man, I'm not out of, am I out of like, I don't know, I just can't believe it. It blew my mind. So the rules are, if you're like 20 points up, you have to take it all, not all 5 of your starters, but you can't have your starting lineup in the game. And then I think after 15 points, you can't cross. Because I asked the coach, I said the two coaches of the men,
Okay, what did you say? How many points you said?
they said 20 points.
Okay, so when he went down to 19, took the starting back.
And then, it gets me going. So did they win? What are we on? Not bonus. Game changing? Or no? I got so many. I don't know. Yeah.
Kailangan, Saros, kailangan makatira ka, ha?
He goes on 18, 19. I'm putting my stars back.
He let him get like 4.
Nice! There you go.
The dudes were already.
Nice. Drop, drop.
Oh, no.
Nice. Grab it. Ah.
I was like, hey, Brian, Dad, I have a couple questions. Is this a competitive league? Like, is it necessary for everybody?
Focus, focus.
Are you reprimanded for running the score up? If it is a
Get your man,
league,
get your
then
man.
How many teams make the playoff? Is there anything Hodge can work on, you know? And then the lady coach is like, I'm going to let Coach Zach answer.
Only 3 lang yun.
Oh, and put it as a
6 points, only 6 points. Help, help, help.
But yeah, basically that's what she says. So, like, after, okay, you have to take out your starting 5 players after 20 points.
Sabay, sabay, sabay.
At least 8 teams will make the playoffs. So,
Help, help,
I hope
help.
RJ Frank is one of them. And I hope they play him.
Why are you making that pass? Make the easy passes, guys. Come on.
Right there.
Whoop. Other side.
Swing it. Two goes right there.
Eros, use your voice, use your voice.
He has to.
Yeah, you need to use your voice.
You guys are there, man. You guys are there. 31. Start coaching him into being lower. Play like, dude,
Yeah.
you might get jacked up in the face. You might get bumped around. But you're good, dude. You're good. Run.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Run, run, run. What? Relax, just relax, just relax. Kailangan ano lang yan, no?
Man.
Right.
Watch your mouth. Watch your tongue. You better watch it.
Ayan, ball, 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 ball.
Hey, Bryce, you're doing right. What you call?
Like, they're watching the ball when he could have been down here already.
Yeah.
Run down. It would have been an easier pass with Cyrus. You know what I mean? Because
Diskarte, diskarte. Ayan. Ano mo? Ay! Oh, still. Ikaw tumira. Kunin mo ulit pagka ano. Ay, oh.
Good hustle, good hustle.
Game.
10 points. Talo ng 10 points.
It wasn't. It was closer than that.